Well, it is that time. It is the results of Hit of the Year 2019 Northwest USA. I want to say that for the first year of this being in the Northeast USA, I am super amazed with the amount of entries. 55 entries. That is crazy. Over 2,000 votes. You guys do it amazing down in the US. You do it, everything's bigger, everything's better. These are the top 5 drivers voted by you guys and how many votes they got. These drivers were voted for peers in the Derby community, their friends, their family, and everybody that wanted to vote could vote. But before we get to that, let's do a big shout out to our sponsors. We have Josh Archambault at Archambault Derby Supply. He has sponsored a shifter for Toyota Camrys or Luminas. They're the same shifter, just different holes and different brackets. So that's amazing. And he's also offered a Toyota Camry header. Now I know a lot of you guys don't drive Toyota Camrys, but I try to get as best of stuff as I can for you guys to give away. So I'm super excited to give away Josh Archambault Derby Supplies products. And I actually own 2 Josh Archambault shifters, and I did have 2 headers, but one got really messed up at Mini Meltdown. But I love their products. Great guys to deal with. Local to me here in Ontario, so super happy to deal with them. The other sponsor for Northeast USA is DeWeese Graphics and Vinyls. They're located on Facebook, and it's ran by Sean DeWeese, and he's sponsored sign door numbers for your cars. So super happy to have him on board, and you know what, he is a great guy. He jumped at the sponsorship opportunity to be able to give back to the drivers in his community, and I think that's amazing. We need more people that are willing to help out other drivers. That's why I'm doing this contest, is to help out other drivers, just so they can get their footage out there, just so they can see their hits, and have their friends and family vote on it. So big shout out to both of our sponsors, and here is the hits voted by you guys, in the order voted by you guys. Who will win Northeast Demolition Derby 2019? watching. I'm super happy with... Thank you guys for watching. 2019 has been a great year. 2020 is actually looking like it's going to be even better. So remember guys, make big track shots, get them on camera, get your entries in for 2020. I will open up entries in late November. Make sure you get it on film, and you can enter this contest next year. This is free to enter. How you enter it is, you take your hit that you have on camera, you send it to me, the YouTube link preferably, so that way I can give credit to the gentleman who filmed it, the time on when the hit is made, your derby number, and where the derby was. Because... where derby was. Because... So hopefully I see all you guys back in 2020. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here next year on Hit of the Year 2020.